in First World War, I will explain the League Nations. League Nations is an international organization. I will explain that. The League Nations, at the end of First World War, all the nations felt that such war should not happen again, and measures must be taken to avoid it. The League Nations was established in 1920 to solve international disputes by negotiations. The main responsibility of League Nations was to avoid war. After the war, major changes came about in Europe. The earlier empires in Europe collapsed and new nation states came into existence. Movements for independence started in the colonies of the European powers in Asia and Africa. The League of Nations could not stop the outbreak of the Second World War as autocratic regimes had emerged in Germany, Italy and Spain. Okay, here we complete First World War. Now we see Second War. Okay, we see here Second War. The Second World War was fought between 1939 and 1945. The Second World War was fought between 1939 and 1945. It is proved to be a far more destructive than the First World War. It is more destructive, means there is more loss compared to First World War. Not only was it more widespread compared to the First World War, but also more advanced technology was employed in this war. In this war, many advanced technology was used. That's why there is more loss about economic loss, property loss, life loss as compared to First World War. Countries which took part in the Second World War once again faced a situation of economic crisis. Okay. America played, here is a countries involved in the Second World War. Allied powers: Britain, France, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, India, Soviet Union, China, America. Axis power: Germany, Japan, Italy. America played a major role in the Second World War. America, it is a main point. America played a major role in the Second World War. It had manufactured a nuclear weapon. America used the nuclear weapon. In order to end the war, it dropped 2 nuclear weapons on 2 cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, on 6th and 9th August 1945 respectively. America used nuclear weapons, and at the end of war, they dropped 2 nuclear weapons on 2 cities of Japan, which is the Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and when 6th and 9th August 1945 respectively. It is a main point. The Second World War ended with the defeat of Germany in Europe and of Japan in Asia. Among the many events that took place in the world after the Second World War was beginning of the Cold War. What happened there? Among the many events that took place in the World War and after Second World War, there is a beginning of Cold War in 1945 and 1991 is the long period of the Cold War. Let us take a stock of a few changes in this period. Okay, the Second World War was fought from 1939 to 1945. Okay, and the Second World War was more destructive, means there is more loss of economic, property, life loss. Okay, and the First World War as compared to First World War, it was more widespread than the First World War, and more advanced technology was used in this war. America played a major role in Second World War, and it dropped 2 nuclear bombs on Japan in Hiroshima and Nagasaki to the end war. The war ended with the defeat of Germany and Japan. Means here who lost the fought? The war ended with the defeat of Germany and Japan. There is a defeat of Germany and Japan. Now we see Cold War. America and the Soviet Union, who were allies in the Second World War, became a competitors as soon as the war got over. Who is the competitor? America and Soviet Union. Okay, the cooperation between them gave way to rivalry. The cooperation between them gave way to rivalry. This rivalry occupied a period of 40 to 45 years of international politics. There was no open war between these two countries, but there was such tension in the relations. There was no open war, means there is no fight in between them, but there was such tension in their relation. Means they not fight openly. That is a seem that a war would erupt any time. The concept of Cold War is used to describe the condition where there is no actual war, but there are such tension in the circumstance that they may be responsible to cause war. In this period, America was already a superpower. In this period, the America was already a superpower because of it has he used the nuclear weapons and he defeated the Germany and Japan. Okay. America was already superpower, but the Soviet Union also tried to become a superpower by making nuclear weapons. Understand here? America has manufactured a nuclear one. Just like America, Soviet Union also tried to become a superpower by making nuclear weapons and increasing its military might. The struggle of power, arms race, differences in ideologies, attitude of checkmating each other, and strategies and counter strategies gave rise to the Cold War. Okay. America and Soviet Union, who were allies, became rivals soon after the end of Second War. Okay, I will explain the Cold War. The term Cold War describes a situation lasted for over 45 years. Okay, the term Cold War describes a situation where there is no actual war, but such intense attention that may lead to a war. That time America was already a superpower. Just like that, Soviet Union aspired to become a superpower by making nuclear weapons, by increasing its military might. The struggle of power, arm race, differences in the ideologies, attitude of checkmating each other by strategies and counter strategies gave rise to the Cold War. Okay, here we see effect of Cold War.